Guys, Werner with Red to Black Academy, and today I want to talk to you about how options trading is on track to exceed stock market trading. That is insane, guys, because that points to what I want you to avoid if you're committed to investing your cash and creating cash flow off of it. When you commit yourself to investing in cash flowing businesses that pay you to own them, or you buy a business or you build your own business that cash flow and pays you to own it, you won't get involved in these shenanigans. The options markets, the options computers, the billion-dollar computers, fiber optic network cables connecting like Chicago, New York, they will outcompete you guys. They will goad you into trades. It is not a win-win strategy. The house always wins. They've got it rigged, guys. So what does it mean that the options is exceeding stocks? Let me read to you from the article just so I can get it in their words from Quartz Magazine. Fueled by a cocktail of slick trading apps and social media hype, retail trading has soared since competition between brokerages squashed commissions in 2019. Stocks were the focus initially, but these days much of the excitement appears to be in options, which offer a cheap way for traders to bet on stock going up or down in price without having to actually purchase the shares. By one measure, options activity in the US is on track, and I know it's one measure, but the fact that we're having this conversation is just showing you the insanity of the markets, to exceed that of the stock market for the first time. The average daily notional value of traded single stock options has risen to more than $450 billion this year, compared with about $405 billion for stocks, according to CBOE Global Markets data. The notional value is the trading volume multiplied by the spot price. So guys, whether it's above it, whether it's below it, it doesn't matter. The point is that people are betting on shares they don't own. You see the trend here? Because of the access to these markets through technology, it's creating this risk-on environment. Now, if you're already independently wealthy, by all means, go play in the sand. But if you're starting from zero or building your wealth, guys, do not go to the poker table. Options is another word like going to Vegas. Do not go to the poker table unless you know exactly, unless you're a professional and you did it for years and you've been trained and you're on the right side of these trades. You have no business going to the poker table and taking your hard-earned cash and throwing it away on options. This is really important because what this is telling us, it's also the investor psychology is not focused on patience and analytics. It's focused on euphoria and excitement. And guys, here's the main thing about euphoria and excitement. There's nothing behind it. When the euphoria and excitement fades, you're done. If you've invested in a solid business with analytics, cash flow, you're good. You can weather a lot of storms. But if you invest on behavior, which is investing in options, which is investing in NFTs, anything that doesn't pay you to own it is a bet that the behavior in the future is going to put a higher price on whatever thing you bought in the future. That, guys, is a bet. You can make those bets because they could be huge upsides, but make it with a small amount of your money. If you're already wealthy, or if you're not wealthy, then just put a little bit in. I mean, I recommend just taking all your money and finding cash flowing businesses, but it's up to you guys. The reason I share this is really important for your mindset to see where markets are going, because when everyone gets euphoric, there's opportunities coming. So when you see this euphoria going up and up and up, and you hear, oh, this will never crash, this will always keep going, I want your red flags to go off like there are deals coming. There are deals to buy great businesses, because everyone is so euphoric that when they crash, the party just crashes. It's going to drag down the great businesses with it, meaning the price, not the underlying fundamentals. And you will be able to buy these businesses, whether it's a car wash, a laundromat, or a publicly traded business, or maybe you want to start your own business. There's opportunities galore when you have cash and you invest that cash wisely. And then when you invest that cash and it pays you back, you can take that cash and invest in other cash flowing assets. That's the goal of this channel, guys. I hope it helps. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, and comment to get this message out to the world. And I ask you, if this will provide value for someone else, please share it with them. And I look forward to connecting with you in the future. It's a pleasure spending time with you. Thank you so much.